I think you can see it, not quite. You can't quite see into the bottom of there. Yeah. But down the bottom of there, there's pollen I've put there. So what I've got to do here is see if I can see a much bigger bee. And see if I can tempt anything with a bit of icing sugar here. It's not too bad. I might move that over there. I don't see any of that. Hopefully I'm going to find a big one that's not a drone. There's a drone there. But the queen's probably hiding under something out the back of that. Either that or she's out there being mated somewhere. The terms have gone off for a fly. It's the first warm day for a while, and I think the bees are swarming again down on the wall down there on the industrial building, because they make a number of swarm cells in their wild hive. That's got quite a group to it, that. Let's see if they don't mind what's there. No. The sort of thing I'm doing here can't go on forever at it, but having a look up the back of it, yeah, there's a set of bees in the corner there. They're hiding behind the frame. Just seeing that, no, only a couple of drones down there and no queen so far. But they're building larvae cells because they've come out right out to the edge. We're working hard at it. That might be, that looks a bit queenish. No, it's a lot of sorting through it. Might leave a sprinkle of icing sugar in there. Looking for a much more segmented body. Another queen? No, that's a worker. Something that's almost a sort of a bumblebee for a worker. Black and white. Maybe she is hiding down the back there. Very carefully. I think I can only do them the justice of everything's nice and clean in here, and might bring this up a bit closer to the